Class 6 diode. Okay, let us see a diode figure. See, a diode is like this. There are various types of diodes. One type is this. Okay, you have here a silver end. Silver end is cathode. This is the symbol. The first figure is the symbol. Anode means A, positive. Cathode means K. Cathode is usually marked as K, not C. Sometimes it is also marked as C, very rare cases. So cathode means K, anode means A. Okay. So this is one type of package. Diodes come in various package, means various physical appearance or physical mm, physical object. Okay, whatever you can call. You can have, see, some other diodes will look like LEDs. Projection is there. See, you can see here. We'll diode image BY127. BY126 image. See, it will be like BY126 image. Diode BY126. Let us write. BY126 or 127. Both are same image. It will come like this. It will be like this. But if you have any doubt, you can do Google search. You can do Google search and find theory or uh, image. You will see that. See, this is a BY127, or let us reverse this. So these all are same. Okay, here the wire is shown as bent. Okay, so now here copy. So all these are same. So diode means this is the symbol. Okay, this is the symbol and this is the structure. Symbol. See, this is the structure. Actually, it is like this: P type and N type, and here you have metal contact or metal end terminal. Anode and cathodes are connected. This is structure and this is symbol, and this is the package. You can, all these are same. You can write package. BY 127 or BY 126 diode. Now in this figure, this is anode. In this package, this is anode. Okay, and this is cathode. Let us erase this. Here the terminal is shown as bent. You can show this as straight line like this. Cut this. You can put this here. Rotate horizontal. Okay, attach this here. So you can write here cathode. I think this figure is better than this figure. So why have this figure? Let us remove this and let us put here this BY 126 or BY 127. Diode structure. Symbol of diode symbol. Okay, this is diode structure and diode symbol. So in our laboratory, we have two types of diodes. We have two types of diodes. One is this type, another is this type. Structure and symbol are both same for this. Structure you can write here also. No need for you in the examination, laboratory examination. Okay. Now how to test a diode? See, first is you have silver end, okay? Second is you have flat and projection end. This is flat end. This is projection end. See, this is a little bit projection is there. There is projection here. Here this is flat end. Both are flat. But here silver, black. So let us say this one IN0004. This is IN0004. 04 package. So if it is IN0004, now take a multimeter, digital multimeter, connect red to silver, red of multimeter. In the multimeter, you keep the multimeter in the diode side. Okay, multimeter in the diode side. Multimeter's red lead. Okay, multimeter's red lead. Okay, let us see here. Control F18. So in the multimeter, you have here, you keep the multimeter range selector to this particular place. Rotate the selector such that this comes to this place. Okay. Then the other end, that is a black end, will be to the uh, other one, red to silver and black to the black end. Multimeters red to silver, red here, black here. So diode will be reverse biased. So when it is reverse biased, the reading of the multimeter will be out of range. Okay, reading will be out of range. When you connect black to silver, means cathode. When you collect black to the silver end, or silver ring or silver end, both are same. You can call this as silver ring or silver end cathode. When you connect multimeters black to cathode and red here, it will be forward biased because red is positive. So diode will be forward biased and we will get reading, a finite reading. So what happens is, in this case, this should be, if the diode is healthy, in this case you will get here out of range. That is, it will show left one, left digit one. Here it will show reading. Now mark the terminal as red is the silver end is cathode and the other one black is anode. And in case of the this one, if BY126, you have the same thing. Instead of silver end, you have the projection side. Instead of silver end, you have projection side here. Here red and here black and silver. Here flat and projection. You can mark the terminal. And if the reading is not correct, it means diode is not healthy. So here actually this line it is not necessary. So let us remove it. Fine.